man, it's been so long in kind of working on this stuff alone, and now it's really cool to have continuous source of feedback, participants in this, more than just feedback, but just like co-authors now at this point. It's cool. It's
Yeah,
inspiring for us.
love it. There's
Yeah.
just so much to do. I don't want to take too much time. I don't know how much time you have left. Obviously, I'm having a great time talking to you because you're brilliant,
Yeah, I
and
should
it's so
probably
cool.
unfortunately run off to some meetings, but this has been an awesome chat. We should definitely set up another in the next few weeks.
Yeah, that'd be really great. Maybe give us a recording indicator when we talk to each other because I really don't ever want to
I
catch anyone off guard, but I do love recording these things because they're so fun to
totally.
share and reminisce back on.
Take a note on that too. That's definitely we've been people have asked for that.
Okay, yeah, because like a mic on the table, even you could have fun with it, but just some way that we can,
I
stay.
think
Because
I a super fun way to handle that.
so just like yeah, because yes, I definitely want to keep engaging, and it's really great to hear that you are like you're wanting to open up more to a co-creative community because
Oh,
I do
for
know,
sure.
and
That's critical.
as a last like prayer for your good health as developers of this cool stuff, I will say don't let the haters get to you. I know the haters are out there, but I definitely am of the opinion that the haters they've got a lot of good emotion that's kind of being channeled in the wrong direction. And so part of the reason I'm so excited about this medium is it's kind of hard to be cynical once you're like looking at it. Everyone I've shown this
Gotta
to,
try it to believe it.
they change back into kids again. They just want to play and look, and they spend 20 minutes screwing around. And so it's really cool. I put it on my people from nurses to cops to my old high school friends. My girlfriend who's a painter. Everybody is finding something in this. So it's a really exciting time, and I'm just stoked to be part of it.